Agile teams are about to experience a productivity boost of epic proportions. AI is here, transforming workflows like never before. Imagine the power of Agile's flexibility combined with AI's precision, speed, and predictability. But let me ask you, can the unpredictable nature of Agile truly coexist with AI's data-driven systems? Let's dive into the potential synergy between the two and why this could redefine how teams function. Before we go deeper, a brief refresher. Agile methodologies are all about flexibility, adaptability, and iterative progress. Designed for fast, incremental development, Agile prioritizes collaboration, customer feedback, and responding quickly to change. But as with everything, even Agile has its limits. Communication breaks down, backlogs become overwhelming, and deadlines shift like sand in a windstorm. Enter AI, the perfect complement to Agile's strengths and its greatest ally against inefficiency. Let's face it, even the best Agile teams face bottlenecks constantly. Imagine, backlogs swell, sprint goals get missed, and the team struggles to prioritize. Or think about the nightmare of trying to predict how many story points a team can realistically achieve in a sprint. How do you know whether you're biting off more than you can chew? And the stand-up meetings, while they're invaluable, how much time gets lost sifting through fragmented communication? These are real, tangible issues. But what if AI could handle the heavy lifting here, seamlessly integrating into the day-to-day chaos of Agile workflows? The solution? AI-powered tools that streamline backlog grooming, sprint planning, communication, and even retrospectives. Imagine you're working with a mountain of backlog items. AI steps in with machine learning algorithms that assess past sprint data, customer needs, and market trends to give you the best possible prioritization of tasks. What would normally take hours of debate, AI does in seconds. Tools like Jira's predictive backlog prioritizer offer an example of this functionality, slashing manual effort and enabling faster decision-making. Meanwhile, consider Zoho Sprints, a platform that takes advantage of AI-driven sprint forecasting, analyzing team capacity and velocity to set realistic goals for the upcoming cycle. Predictability in Agile? Unheard of, but AI gives teams a peek into the future, drastically improving accuracy. This isn't just some incremental improvement either. Companies that have incorporated AI into their Agile methodologies have seen project delays reduced by 20% and productivity improvements upwards of 30%. But where AI shines is in automating routine tasks. Take continuous testing, for example. Agile thrives on quick iterations and frequent releases, yet testing can often be a bottleneck. With AI-driven tools like Testem.io, automated testing becomes a breeze, running countless test cases in mere minutes and catching issues before they balloon into larger problems. Facebook's automation tools cut testing times by a jaw-dropping 70%, slashing the number of bugs caught after deployment. That's the power of AI in action, catching issues before they disrupt the flow. Now, think about the end of a sprint, time for the retrospective. Usually, these meetings are filled with subjective opinions. But what if the AI could run the analysis for you, providing data on team performance, task efficiency, and bottlenecks? Platforms like Range or StandUply digest all your team's activity, Slack messages, task updates, and code commits, delivering a comprehensive, objective summary. AI doesn't just pinpoint problems. It suggests solutions based on historical performance data. Imagine finishing your retrospective with not just lessons learned, but an action plan already formed by AI-generated insights. Take Spotify, for example. This global giant struggled with scaling Agile across their remote teams. By integrating AI, they not only streamlined sprint planning, but reduced their time to market by a stunning 30%. Their AI-enabled project management tools transformed how they approached backlog prioritization, team velocity tracking, and even internal communication. With AI guiding their sprints, they avoided the typical delays caused by miscommunication and lack of data visibility. Leadership, too, stands to benefit enormously. Data-driven decision-making has always been essential in Agile, but now it's on a whole new level. Leaders can access dashboards that track not just team progress, but also mood, engagement, and collaboration quality, thanks to AI-driven analytics tools. With a clear view into team dynamics, managers can act preemptively, allocating resources more efficiently and addressing burnout before it spreads. In fact, McKinsey found that Agile teams leveraging AI in their leadership frameworks saw a 20% increase in team satisfaction and a 35% operational efficiency gain. The data doesn't just optimize workflows, it optimizes the health and well-being of the team. While AI offers unprecedented efficiency, we must address privacy concerns. Data security and protection are more critical than ever, especially with AI scraping through sensitive project data. And let's not forget the looming challenge of bias. AI, by its nature, is trained on historical data. If that data is flawed or biased, the AI will reproduce these shortcomings, potentially skewing decision-making. It's crucial to implement strong governance around AI usage, ensuring diversity in data training and transparency in AI outcomes. The future? It's all about AI-driven agile scaling. As organizations become increasingly remote and projects more complex, AI will be essential in scaling agile processes without losing the flexibility and human touch that made Agile so popular in the first place. Edge computing and AI at the edge will play significant roles in real-time decision-making, further reducing the lag time in Agile workflows. And with advances in natural language processing, NLP, expect AI to soon manage communication in even more sophisticated ways, summarizing entire threads of conversation and eliminating information silos. We're standing on the precipice of a new era. AI doesn't just support Agile, it turbocharges it. It eliminates bottlenecks, forecasts outcomes, automates repetitive tasks, and delivers razor-sharp insights. What Agile offers in flexibility, AI matches with speed and precision. And together, they create a symbiotic ecosystem where project timelines shorten, team performance surges, and end products improve in both quality and efficiency. But what's more exciting is what comes next. Agile methodologies are no longer restricted to human intuition. They're being driven by powerful algorithms that learn and improve with every sprint. Data-driven retrospectives, automated sprint forecasts, AI-powered collaboration tools, it's not a far-off dream. It's happening now. Now it's your turn. How have you integrated AI into your Agile workflows? Share your experiences with us in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're curious about the next wave of AI tools set to transform Agile even further, you won't want to miss our next video. Stay ahead of the curve and stay inspired.